Hello children, how are you? I hope all are well at home. Be safe at home. Always wear mask when you go out. Now and then wash your hands. Okay, welcome back second class children. I am Manjula, your social teacher. Yes, I hope all are well. Be safe at home. Good. So, in second class now in social studies, we are going to learn about lesson 4, our neighbors. Our neighbors. Yes, already in first lesson we have learned about food. I hope all are eating very good food. Whatever mommy is cooking, good. Second lesson we have learned about clothes. Yes, always wear washed and clean clothes. Yes, and in third lesson we have learned about a house. Yes, and also what we have talked about house. House protect us from heat, cold, rain, thieves, wild animals. Yes, and in a house with whom we live? Yes, we live with our parents, mother, father, and children make a family. Yes, so we live with our parents in a house. So children, only our house is there in our surroundings? No, many houses are there around us. Yes? Yes. Many houses are there around us. Yes. So, in that families, many families are living. Yes. So, you have friends near your house. Yes. They are your neighbors. They are your neighbors. Yes. So, in this lesson today, we are going to learn about neighbors. Okay. Neighbors and how we have to behave with them. Yes, how we have to be with them, how they help us, how we can help us. Now let us learn in our lesson. Very good children. Always be good with your surrounding people. Yes, that is very good habit children. Yes, now we will see in the lesson what we are going to learn. See, what is the lesson name? Our neighbors. Our neighbors. Yes, Neighbors. Neighbors. We live with our parents. Yes, already we have learned we live with our parents, mother, father are our parents. We live with our parents in a house. Yes, so only our houses that surround us? No, many houses and other service centers are there around our house. Our parents and we make a family. Yes. W-E-V-L-I-V-E live. W-I-T-H with O-U-R-R-P-A-R-E-N-T-S parents. We live with our parents. O-U-R-R-P-A-R-E-N-T-S parents. A-N-D-N W-E-V M-A-K-E make a F-A-M-I-L-Y family. So our parents and we make a family. In a house we live with our family. Yes. So there are many families living around us. Not only our family. Around us many families are there. Yes. Beside, this side, in the front of your house, back side of your house, many families are staying around us. These families form a neighborhood. 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 So, families around us and other service centers, that is a neighborhood. Okay. The people living in the neighborhood are our neighbors. Okay. So, many families are around us. That is a neighborhood. In that houses, many families, people are living. So, people living in that houses are our neighborhood. Not only people, families, children, we can find some service centers like hospital, post office, bank, some general store. So, that is a neighborhood. Okay. And people living in their houses our neighbors. I hope you understood. So families around our houses are neighborhood, and the people who are living in that houses, they are our neighbors. Yes, understood children? Good. So once again I want to repeat, we live with our parents. Our parents and we make a family. There are many families living around us. These families form a neighborhood. The people living in the neighborhood are our neighbors. Yes. So, the neighbors around us, they make our life happy and comfortable children. Yes. Neighbors are our sense of security. Why? See, if we are alone, we feel afraid. Yes. If they are around us, we can be happy, comfortable. If we need any help, we can call them. Yes. So, we have to be very comfortable with our neighbors. Yes. Yes, neighbors give us a sense of security and well-being. Yes. So, people in the neighborhood will help us. We should also help them. How we can help? How they will help us? Let us see now. Okay. See, people in the neighborhood help each other. They'll help each other. Yes. See how they help us. We take their urgent letters and post them. Yes, if they want to post any letter and they are unable to go out, what we do if we are going out, we'll take the letters and post them. Yes, but nowadays we are messaging from the phone only. Any urgent call, message we are doing from our mobile phone. But suppose if any parcel will come, if they are not there at their home, we will take that parcel. And if we are going out, if any urgent parcel is coming, we will say them to take. Yes, like that we will help each other. Yes, so we do a little shopping for them. Some little shopping, if they need any medicine from the shop or anything, eating items, if they need, if we are going out, we can do a little shopping for them. Yes. Next, we help our old and blind neighbors. Yes. Suppose if any old people are there, we have to help them children. If they need any medicine from the shop, if they need anything from out, we have to get them for them. We have to get for them any item. So why? Because they are old, they can't go out. Yes. And some blind people, if any blind people are around you children, help them. Make them to cross the road. If they need anything from shop, please help them. Yes. Nowadays, people of different communities live together in a neighborhood. See, many different religions, maybe Hindus, Christians, Muslims. So we are living together children. That is our greatness. Yes. So, many different communities live together. Different religion people are living around us. They have their religion festivals and they speak different languages. Yes. Then also what we are doing? We are living together. Yes. And we have to respect their religion children. Any religion, if they talk any language also, we have to respect them. Yes. They follow their customs and cultures. Their customs and cultures means according to their religion, they will pray their God. Culture, what all festival they are celebrating, we have to respect them. Yes. And we can share children. We can celebrate together. Yes. We respect them and live peacefully. See, if we are very helpful, we will be peaceful. If not, if we are going on fighting every day, something nuisance will be going on. So, how we have to be? You have to be comfortable and happy with your neighbors. then only we can live peacefully. Yes. So, first thing children, we have to respect them. If they are from any community, any religion, if they talk any language, we have to be friendly with them. Yes. We have to respect their customs and cultures. Yes. See, customs, their tradition, the way how they eat, they dress up, everything we have to respect children. Okay, then only we can live peacefully. And good neighbors make our life happy children and comfortable also. Yes, just respect them and help them. They will also help you. Yes, celebrate the festivals together. Yes, share the things whatever you have cooked on your festivals with them. They will be happy and you can be also happy. Yes. So just once I want to revise children. See, people in the neighborhood help each other. How we can help? We take their urgent letters and post them. We do a little shopping for them. We help our old and blind neighbors. Nowadays, people of different communities live together in a neighborhood. They follow their customs and cultures. We respect them and live peacefully. Good neighbors make our life happy. Yes. Not only this children, not only helping. See, when you are listening to your TV sound or some music system, keep the voice in the low mute. Why? Maybe some patients are there in your surroundings or some students they are studying for their exams. So they will get disturbed. So whenever you are listening to your music system or TV, keep it in a low voice. Yes, so that it will not disturb others. Yes, I hope you understood. So this is about your neighbors and neighborhood children. In the next lesson, we are going to learn about neighborhood. Thank you children. Go through the lesson, speak out the spellings and write the hard words 5 times. Yes, good children. Bye.